where we're finding most opportunity in the portfolio at the moment are actually coming from stocks that we currently own. So the last 9 months or so, as the economy's reopened, we've seen deep value stocks and cyclical plays outperforming. They tend to be not at the higher end of the quality spectrum, which we look for. And so, some of our stocks that we like from a medium long-term perspective are now actually looking like quite good value. So as they are under a little bit of pressure, we'll just look to top them up in your portfolio. We've broadly kept pace with a very strong market. And we're quite happy with that, given that value has been running quite well. Our focus in investing in Australian equities has and always will be about investing in the highest quality companies over the medium to long term. These are companies that have a reason to exist in 5 years' time and will have grown sustainably during that period. And we think this focus takes a lot of the volatility out of our returns. So, rolling 3 and 5 year periods, you can't find one where we've underperformed the market. In the shorter time frames of 1 year, so the 15 completed years to June, we've only underperformed the market by a little bit twice. So, we're quite proud of that record, and we think this focus on quality gets us through the really tough times, when markets are under a lot of pressure, but the quality companies will also outperform over the medium to long term. We're looking for companies that are going to generate higher returns. They've got experienced management teams with great track records, and they're great stewards of our investors' capital. And so they'll position their companies into industries that have sustainable growth, have large markets to invest in, and they're the sorts of things combined with great balance sheets that we're looking for. We do mostly all our own research, so we're not relying on stockbrokers with various vested interests to drive our thought processes. And we very much believe that, we have this multi-portfolio manager approach, which is different to the rest of the market. And we have this collegiate atmosphere in which we share information around the table on stocks. Nobody harvests information just for their own outperformance. And with that, we know that the client wins. So, each portfolio manager will outperform. And we think that drives return, and it's this culture and environment of sharing, which we think really differentiates us from a lot of the marketplace.